Rust on knives, a newspaper used to store spices. When you go out to eat this weekend, you need to know who's keeping a clean kitchen and who isn't. Here's this week's all-new Dirty Dining Report.
Wingstop on Baseline Road off 48th Street in Tempe. 4 major health code violations. A health inspector went out and spotted an employee not washing his hands properly, a bottle of disinfectant stored in a prep sink. Tianxia hot pot on Broadway Road near Dobson and Mesa. 4 violations. The health inspection report listed a meat grinder with rust on the blades, a newspaper used to store dry spices. Guatemala Tienda y Restaurant on University Drive off Country Club Drive in Mesa. 4 violations. The health inspector found an employee removed tortillas from a grill with his bare hands, raw chicken stored above vegetables. Lely Oriental Supermarket on Dobson Road off Warner Road in Chandler. 4 violations. The health inspector found a worker packaged live slaughtered fish, then didn't wash his hands, buildup of rust on knives and scissors. And the place with the most health code violations? Denny's on McDowell Road off 76th Street in Scottsdale. 5 major violations.
Denny's had raw eggs stored over spinach, sausage links and bacon not held at the proper temperature, and soup not kept hot enough. The restaurant is now on notice to clean up or could face legal action. The places with perfect health inspection scores, they make our Dean's List. Here's a look at the restaurants with spotless kitchens.
And they are Joe's Real Barbecue in Gilbert, Target at 75th Avenue and Bell in Peoria, Burger King near I-17 and Northern in Phoenix.
The Circle K at Greenway and Grand Avenue in Surprise, Paria, Los Picos near University and Alma School Road in Mesa, and Taco Bell at 43rd Avenue in Glendale